Pacific Ring of Fire, nobody can stop it. So Peter chapter 3 says God will destroy the earth by fire. The rapture will happen. Boom, boom, can you hear the sound of the thunder rolling? Boom, boom, that's the sound of the sky breaking open. Boom, boom, the whole earth could become a super volcano. Boom, boom, the enemies of God are about to fall. Johnny Cash style. Revelation chapter 6 verse 14 is when the sky breaks open. John of Revelation saw the same vision as Johnny Cash. The Pacific Ring of Fire won't be stopped. Boom, boom, can you hear the sound of the thunder rolling? Boom, boom, that's the sound of the sky breaking open. Boom, boom, the whole earth could become a super volcano. Boom, boom, the enemies of God are about to fall. Johnny Cash style. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Johnny Cash was right. The Pacific plate is gonna move from its place. And when it does, the whole earth will melt. Boom, boom, can you hear the sound of the thunder rolling? Boom, boom, that's the sound of the sky breaking open. Boom, boom, the whole earth could become a super volcano. Boom, boom, the enemies of God are about to fall. Johnny Cash style. Boom, boom, can you hear the sound of the thunder rolling? Boom, boom, that's the sound of the sky breaking open. Boom, boom, the whole earth could become a super volcano. Boom, boom, the enemies of God are about to fall. Johnny Cash style.